Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emmanuel and today I'm taking you on a calm and beautiful drive through Bergen City here in Norway. We are starting right here from car park in the city. I will drive you through the city center past the Fisketoget or what's called the fish market and all the way to the Bergen Port where the most tourists arrive when they visit this beautiful city. This video I will show you how peaceful and safe life in Norway is. You will see also children walking around freely and yeah, which says a lot about how calm and friendly this city really is. So sit back and relax and then enjoy the drive with me. Alright, now you can see this city how it looks like. Children move freely, and this shows the peaceful city or the peaceful country. So we are sitting here and start our drive toward this Fisketoget. This is the way toward this the city center. You can already notice how clean and quiet everything is. The streets are wide, well marked, and everyone drives slowly and carefully. One thing I love about Norway is that everything feels peaceful, no rush, no loud noise, just calm traffic and happy people going about their way. So you can also see that parking areas and roads are well also organized, which makes driving here very easy and safe. So now we are driving into Bergen city center. Look at these colorful buildings. Most of them have small shops, bakeries, and cafes inside. You can see people walking, some with umbrellas, because Bergen is famous for its rain. Even on crowd days, the city feels warm and welcoming. You are also you will also see children walking around the streets or people moving around the streets, some with their parents and some with not their parents. So see guys in front, those buildings, the bus are moving. So the city, as you can see, is very clean. People walking freely, and you can see the cleanliness, guys. You can see the cleanliness here. Uh, so that is one thing that really stands out in Norway. It's peaceful and people's trust each other. You don't see chaos here in Bergen. So as we are heading to Fisketoget or the fish market, now we are close to the famous what is it called fish market. This is famous, and this place is out one of the Bergen most popular spots, especially in the summer when tourists come from all over the world. So that's right in front there. After this traffic light, you will notice on the left side. So you will see a fish market. Here you can find local seafoods, salmon, what is called the salmon, shrimp, crab. You can see, guys, the fish market right on the left, and many other Norwegian specialties. It's a great place to taste the real Norwegian food or just to walk by the water and enjoy the view. So the market has been here along for a long, about 600 years. See the view, guys, beside the view of the beside the lake. So on the right hand side, you can see the Bryggen. What's it called, Bryggen on the right side, but you may not see it well, but those are the wooden houses of Bergen. These buildings are very famous. They are part of UNESCO World Heritage. They were built by the German traders in early 1300 years and are more than 600 years old. Each house has a different color, and behind them are small wooden passes that lead to tiny shops and art galleries. When you walk there, it feels like going back in time. From the car, you can see how these old houses stand right beside the sea. So now we are continuing. You are we shall continue ahead to the port, but we may not stand there for a while. So as I drive slowly, you can see more of the daily life here in Bergen. People walking there uh, with their dogs, families going shopping, and children riding bikes near the streets. Everyone seems relaxed, no stress, no hurry. That's something I love about Norwegian cities. They are clean, quiet, and full of respect. See those boats, guys, those ships, and you can see, guys, how beautiful it is. Even when you are in the center of the city, you can see still feel close to nature. The sea on the one side and the mountains on the other. But here you may not see the mountains, but you can see the nature. So now we are getting close to Bergen Port. This is where the big cruise ships stop, bringing thousands of tourists to explore the city. From here, you can see the sea, but just on the left hand side. But I'm not going to stop there in this video. So it's where tourists, thousands of tourists come and explore the city. So there you may see this area is always full of life, but still very peaceful. You can see people taking photos. They are walking by the water and enjoying the fresh air. But here we have continued a little bit. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how the port looks like and the cruise. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on this short and peaceful city drive. If you enjoyed the view, please like, comment, and subscribe for more travel videos around Norway. See you in the next video.